Audio visualizers can help you bring your music to the next level by creating displays that move and change color in time with your music. Audio visualizers allow music listeners to see the songs to which they are listening and to feel the beats visually. They can be helpful for meditation sounds, giving you a visual focus as well. They can also turn on your music in a visual way, keeping it present in your eyes as well as in your ears. Mostly, they are just fun to watch. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, I am going to share 5 best audio visualizer apps for Android in 2023. First, Onemaker.io. This is an online music slider, your one-stop solution for all the creative needs. This is also a music visualizer, slideshows, audiogram, logos, and much more. There are 1,000 quality templates that you can find on this app. You can also use it for free. And bonus, you don't need to download any app. You can check it on the web, as if it only want to help you with your privacy. Second comes Alien World's Music. Play your music with any audio player app, then switch to this app. It will then visualize the music, 50 radio channels, and also available with the many music styles like the psychedelic, trance, and much more. A player for your music files is also included. You can even design Alien World according to your taste with over 100 settings. You can change their appearance, their look, like your own creation. Next comes Audio Glow Music Visualizer. This music visualizers bring your music to the screen in an explosion of the bright colors. Visualize whatever music or sound is coming from any other app. Dramatically displayed artist name and track name for the most popular music player. Extensive color and shape options to tweak. Save your settings as themes and use the included tasker. Next comes Trance 3D Music. Listen to the latest trance music and enhance the experience with these visualizers, which are optimized for the deepest trance effect. Over 100 settings are available, which will help you to design the appearance of the particles and the lights. You can change the appearance as it looks like your own creation. Visual Sound Music Visualizer. Let's experiment with a super simple high-speed visualizer. Visual Sound's high-energy, brightly colored app that's great for the retro audio files. It's also the most streamlined visualizers on this list. You can simply tap the visual style you want to use, then tap into the visualizer to enter a full screen. Though, from smoother visuals and slower movements, this app is not recommended. But if you want to amplify your energetic pop or rave music, this works wonderfully. Bonus. Concluding it all, with Onemaker.io, you can even access hundreds of the free templates and make the audio visualizers for your brands or businesses or for your music or for your podcast and anything beyond. Beyond that, you can even use Onemaker.io platform for the different purposes like creating your slideshows, your logos, and much more. So I'm curious to know which app you are using to create your creatives. Do comment below and let us know. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and bye-bye. Happy creation.